video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. I posted a video a while ago and I was showing you guys how nice my hair looked and you guys were like, girl, please do a video. So I was like, I got you. First, we're going to apply a heat protector. I'm gonna go in with the GHD Advanced Split End Therapy. I like using that one because I feel like it really has been helping me pelo. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to just focus this towards the end. Not so much the top of my hair because I feel like every time I put like a heat protector on the top of my head, my hair gets so oily so quickly. So I don't really like to do too much to that. Just like light. Like this, light. So now I am going to tie up my hair. I like to do my hair in sections. I know some people are cool and they can do it all in one go, but I'm not one of those. I can't. So I'm just going to tie my hair up and go in with the big ligag. And I like using the Hot Shot tools, this one right here. So I'm just going to grab a small chunk like this. Go in, curl, twist, and then hold it there for like 5-10 seconds. I usually listen to some music and like jam out because this is gonna be a minute, you know? Pull it out, and then voila! Still kind of hot, so I'd like to form the curl and kind of like hold it a little bit as it cools down. It's going to have more bounce, so then I drop it, put it in bed, and then grab a chunk and do the same thing. Okay, so curl, hold it there, release, and then there you go. And then I'm just going to hold it for a little bit. I don't know why it's like so hard right now. Okay, I'm just going to hold it for a little bit, let go, and then boom, see, like that, and throw that one in the back. And then you can continue to keep curling it like this, or you can flip it around and curl the opposite direction so that your curls don't all like mash up together as one or anything like that. So just doing that, like switching the way you curl it, will definitely make it more like whoosh. But that's really up to you if you want to do that, if you want that kind of look. There you go. And you're just going to hold it. So you're just going to continue to do this over and over and over. Some people like to bobby pin it, but I don't have that many bobby pins. I feel like I buy a load of bobby pins and then they're gone. They disappeared. I don't know what I did with them. Go like this, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, let it go. So, okay, so now we have all this curled right here. And then now we're gonna move on to this side. And we're going to do the exact same thing. And I do have other tutorials where I'm using a wand to curl my hair. It just all depends on like what I'm going for, like what I want and stuff like that, you know? My mom used to curl her hair like this all the time. I didn't really like it at first, you know, because she had those big barrels. Like it was a big one. I'll try and post it here so you guys can see, but it was a big old barrel. But that's the one I want now because I'm like, oh, I get it now. Those are some nice curls. See, and then just hold it. Okay, and we're almost done with this section. Doing my hair takes me a good like 25 minutes. So I just put on a good like podcast, you know, or I watch some chisme and a good episode, you know, of something. So yeah, so just that is done. So we got this going on. I'm gonna flip that back, and then I'm going to grab some more pelo. There you go. This side too. That, and then I'm just going to just tie this back. See, like that. And then I'm just going to continue just to do the hair. I find it easier working from the back and then forward, because if you start forward, then you just have the hair curling right here, and it's like kind of hard to like separate and all that stuff. So what I like doing is just going here. Wait. You can feel it. Like once it starts getting like really hot, like you can just already feel it. It's too much, you know? But make sure to wear a heat protectant, please. So then you're just going to let it go. Even if it's not as curly and you guys are like, oh my god, I'm gonna do it again, don't do it again unless it's like you didn't get nothing. And there you go. See, got that little cute little bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it. If it don't bounce, you didn't do it right. So make sure it bounce. Go with another section just like that. Oh! Oh! I rolled it 2 times. Learn from me, okay? Don't do it so tight. That was a good one too. Oh, I pulled my own hair wipe. Ooh, I got cocky with that throwback. One of you guys were like, shut up, bitch. So that's why it happened. Ooh, I blame you. Alrighty, so since I'm still curling my hair, it's gonna be a minute. You guys have been asking me what I've been using for my hair, so I'm gonna let you guys know. So what I've been using for my hair as like an oil to like help it grow is the Main Choice Growth Serum, and you guys have seen me use this quite some time. I've mentioned it when I've gone live and when I've done my Instagram little videos and stuff. I've showed you guys how I use it in like little tutorials and stuff like that, and that I use it on my eyebrows as well to help with hair growth. So I was obsessed, and I'm currently still using this one too. This is the Do Grow Mega Thick Grow Serum. See, this one I've had for a long time, but they don't sell it anymore. So when I did my video showing you guys my favorites and stuff like that, I didn't know that they didn't sell it. So I apologize so much. So they don't sell that one, which I don't know why. Every time something's so good and they don't sell it anymore, I'm like, a bigger company bought that formula. I bet you, because it is so amazing, you guys, and it literally grows my hair like really quick, and it really does help a lot. When I fried my hair, when I went blonde, full blonde, and I permed my hair, this brought it back to life. Like, I will put it on everything. It brought my hair back to life. So when I showed that, you guys were like, I can't find it, Lex, I can't find it. And that made me sad because I was like, oh my gosh. But I did find something else that kind of was like very similar to it. This one right here. And it really has helped my hair grow. I've seen like a huge change. And other things as well that I have always done is take my vitamins. My B12 and my B6 are very, very important. Make sure you take your vitamins. A lot of you guys think that like I buy some like really expensive ones. No, so I just buy whatever I see at Walmart, whether it be generic, whether it be like the pricey ones that they have there. I just pick it up, try it. I'm like, all right, these will work. Just take your B6 and B12. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything like that. Once I do buy some fancy vitamins and I do see that like, oh my gosh, it makes a huge difference, I'll definitely let you guys know, because a lot of you guys want me to try the Sugar Bear hair ones, and I will see, because I'm like, but we'll see, who knows, maybe it will work for me. I will definitely try them out, but that's all I've been taking is my B12 and my B6, or hair and nail gummies. Those are freaking awesome. I'll link them here. I'll show them here. Sorry, the screen's flipped. And what else? Like doing masks a lot on my hair. I don't wash my hair a lot. I wash it on the 3rd day. So my hair right now, this is day 2 hair. So I can maybe go like 3-4 days without having to wash it sometimes, but you have to be very careful with your hair too. You don't want to strip the oils from your hair constantly, and if you have to, because you have to, like, you know, go out or you work with grease or you're just constantly sweating, you know, stuff like that, then that's fine. But don't go too harsh on your head when you are using your shampoos. I noticed when I wash my hair every single day, my hair was so dull and it had like no life. So I would start going very like, not as like crazy like as I would, like, because I really like to suds up my hair, and I would just go really, really slow with it. And then I would use like serums on my hair and stuff. I'll show you guys some, like, I'll link some, or I'll show you guys on here some really good hair serums that I like using, and that has helped my hair. Or as I'm in the shower, I'll put on like a really, really deep conditioning hair mask to bring my hair back to life, so it wouldn't look so dull, because I hate when hair looks like the life is just sucked out of it. It makes you really sad and depressed, because you're just like, oh my gosh. And it's just so cool when someone compliments your hair, like, your hair looks really, really good, looks really, really shiny. You feel like a little bit like, what's up, you know? So yeah, I'll link that all below so you guys can see that. with hot tools, I don't like to use hot tools on my hair every single day. I will probably do it like maybe once in a while, or I'll either straighten my hair or comb my hair once a week, maybe twice a week, but that's kind of pushing it. If I'm going on like day 3 and my curls are no longer like boom, like how like pretty, I will braid my hair and kind of give my hair like that really nice wave, you know. I will try not to have my hair in a ponytail for long periods of time, because a lot of people have said that it pulls your hairline back and it gives you headaches, and it just causes a lot of tension and a lot of hair loss. So I just try to take a little bit here and there, you know, from what people have said, like, you know, their advice and stuff. And I just tried my hardest to really be careful with that, because once it's gone, it's hard to get back, you know? Okay, so now we're going to kind of like the important part, like my favorite part. So I'm just going to grab some hair like this. And I curl it like that. Okay, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Be careful you don't burn yourself. Okay, and I go like that and just hold it. Right here. I have more of like a boom. And then I'm going to slowly release it like that. And then hold it. Then I'm just gonna continue that whole process. Now we're gonna move on to this part. So you see how they're starting to fall, like, I don't know how to explain it, but they're starting to fall like really nice. Now we're gonna grab this. Okay, so here is my part. Okay, so with this, I'm gonna go like this, grab it. And I'm just going to constantly be like rolling it, you know what I mean, until like I can't no more, because I don't want to burn myself. So I'm gonna hold 10 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 seconds, and then slowly let go, and it's gonna look like this. See this? See this? That's what we want. Okay, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Slowly let go, and it should look like that. Okay, same thing to this one. We're going to constantly keep going. Going, keep going, keep going, and then let go very slowly. Okay, and then I'm just going to run my hair, go like this little. You don't have to. Before I wouldn't. I just wanted to stay how it was, but now I do. Okay, see, there you go. Just keep messing with it. I know some people like adding hairspray. I don't like adding hairspray, because I feel like it just like weighs it down, unless it's just like that's how I want the look to go. But where I want to wear my hair like this and have this kind of volume for like 2-3 days, I'm not going to hairspray it, because it will just weigh my hair down. It makes my hair look gray. But I will wear hairspray if it's like, okay, this is like, I'm going to take a shower the next day, it's okay, I really don't care type of thing, you know what I mean? But I'm not gonna do that. I really wanted it to really pop with the shirt, but it really didn't. Let me change my shirt. So I changed the shirt so it can make the curls pop a little bit more, so you guys can see. So I'm gonna go in with the Marc Anthony Bye Bye Frizz silicone free 8-in-1 serum. This reduces frizz, strengthens, moisturizes, repairs, humidity shield, protects, nourishes, and soothes. So my baby lost my top, so oh, that smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. So I just go in with literally like a little bit. It smells so good, and I just run it through, and there you have your hair. See, like, look how nice, and just whoosh, that just looks like bing 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 bing. Alrighty, so this is a shirt I was wearing earlier, but I was like, they won't be able to see because it's not like a colorful shirt or anything. But most of the time you guys will see me in my black shirts. Well, yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this hair tutorial. I'll definitely link my other videos when I had longer hair of how I curled my hair. I'll leave them here as well. And when I use a wand, because a lot of you guys love using the wand, and I do too, that's my favorite. But I like busting out this one because I love just how it just gives me more of that like boom, boom, that volume, and it just makes me feel like just more like, you know, I don't know. I love how it looks, and it just makes me feel like, ooh, we about to get it done, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. To get them with you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for spending some time with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.